For f, we knew that f of 4 is going to be -1 over 4 squared, which is 16. So we have our limit. It's going to be the limit as x approaches 4 of f of x, -1 over x squared, minus -1 over 16, and then over x minus 4. So we can kind of write this as, if we want, a minus minus, so -1 over x squared plus 1 over 16 if we wanted. So then we can, even if you want to do like 1/16 minus 1 over x squared, that's easier for you. Feel free to write like 1/16 minus 1 over x squared, same thing. Any way that we do it, we're going to have to get a least common denominator. So we have an x squared and a 16. So we're going to take the limit as x approaches 4 of, so we want to have, we have x squared and 16, so we're going to get a 16x squared. So we got to multiply that by 16 and that right side by x squared. So we're going to get -16 plus x squared over 16x squared. Again, at some point we have to realize either that that this is a difference of squares, right? X squared minus 16. And just like we did a couple of questions ago, we could either do keep, change, flip, or kind of multiply. Or you can sometimes know that you can kind of like just like squeeze them together and throw that x minus 4 into the denominator. But we should get to x approaches 4 of x squared minus 16. I got a 16x squared and an x minus 4. And as always, do not multiply factor form out just because you can. Right? It's usually the wrong thing to do, especially with these questions. X squared minus 16 is x plus 4 and x minus 4. Here's our cancellation. And we're left with the limit as x approaches 4 of x plus 4 over 16x squared. So that's going to be 8 over 16 times 16 is 256. And that's like 1 over 32. So that should be our instantaneous rate of